Wapi makofi yake? Na nilikuwa nikuwe moja, usijui kulienda aje. Mr. Pasaris atufanyie, alafu mama yetu tufungie. Ngoja, wait hapo. Panga tu line. Tuone our beauty queen, the former, now the women. Mom kuja. Wapi makofi ya women rep wetu?
Hello. Happy Women's Day. Okay, so my name is Judy Chepkoech-To. I'm a final year student at Maseno University, pursuing a bachelor's degree in urban and regional planning. I'm a model and an environmental advocate. So my project is called the Tree Tribe. Tree Tribe is a project that began last year, and our first project went up to 3 months, and we just got our certification from the United Nations academic impacts. So with this project, we have this episode, and I'm so glad to launch it today because it's going to take up to 16 months. It's called Women Empowerment through Environmental Conservation. So through this project, we aim to empower women and at the same time conserve the environment. And some of the activities that will be taking place will be educating women on environmental conservation and also enable them to have sustainable livelihoods. So you all know about sustainable development goals. Yeah, so we are working to achieve that, and Universal Woman has given me this opportunity to continue and embark on this journey of our second project. Thank you.
Appreciate her kindly.
Number 3, we have Judy Chepkoech. Well done, Judy.
Kumbe hawa si wa kukimbia tu. Najua tumezoea Chepkoech ni mbio.
Judy will get 10,000 towards her project. We wish you well in your project and your future endeavors. Judy is the second runner-up.
Wow.
So now she's going to get a sash. She gets 10,000. Congratulations.
Madam Pasaris, kidogo unajua wengi wetu wakawangware, what is a shash? Tunajua shash hiki.
Ni hiyo kitambaa amevalishwa sasa.
Unajua sisi tumezoea shisha.
Shisha. Tumebea hiyo kitu bwana.
Najua sasa unajua kitoko.
Okay. The women here who are going to receive their cocoa jikos. Cocoa cookers are clean cooking. It's in line with our president's agenda for saving the planet, reducing emissions. It's also got lots of safety features. Wamama, kila mmoja wenyu ukipata hii kuka yenyu kuna mtungi ndani na mumepewa pin ya 0000. Munaweza kugeuza hiyo na mkifika huko duka yoyote ambao mutaenda mutapeleka hiyo mtungi, mutajaziwa mtungi mara 2 bure. Ya 3 ndio mutalipa. Sasa chakula ya leo, kesho, wiki ijayo hiyo inalipwa na ngafu. Githeri hata kama itachukua kidogo muda itakuwa inaonja kama githeri. Wacheni mambo ya firewood, wacheni mambo ya stove. Hii sasa uko na 2 plate. Unaweza kupika mchuzi pandi moja, chapo pandi ingine, ugali pandi moja, nyama pandi ingine, samaki pia unaweza kukaranga. Tumejaribu hizi cookers na tumeona inapika vizuri sana. Okay? So Mama Dago amewatetea sana ili tukuje hapa tuwapatie hizi cookers, na pia tumeleta sanitary towels. We have a problem with the sanitary towels. It moved from education to gender. The procurement has happened. In the next 3 weeks, we will have sanitary towels. But today we've brought a few sanitary towels for your school. All right, so in case you get your menstrual when you're in school, you don't have to be embarrassed. There is no period shame. All right, it's a beautiful thing to have. It is what shows that now you've grown into from a young girl to a woman, right? But remember, you keep those eggs intact until after university. I don't want you taking them all over the place. No mothers. How many said they're not going to be single mothers? Sawa, sawa. We have to go to boys' schools now and tell them to study hard. Our girls want to be married to nice, hard-working young men. Cindy? Okay, so Bush, Cecilia, can I have the first one? The second one, you give me the names. So Mama Dago can hand them over. Okay, so whose name is that?